So the parameters of discrete random variables that you're going to discuss here are mean, median, mode, variance, and standard deviation. So let's first of all start by looking at the mean, or the expected value. So the expected value of a discrete random variable x is the mean value or average we could expect. Yeah, when we perform an experiment a large number of times. So, for example, if I toss a coin several times, on average, what do I expect to get? And this is what the example here is trying to kind of guide us to find. So, suppose you roll a die and let x be the number on the uppermost face. Find the expectation of x. Yeah. So, if I toss a die several times, on average, what value do I expect to get? Okay, so we can start by filling in this table, the probability distribution of this experiment. So the probability of course, getting 1 will be um, 1 over 6, and then probability over 2, 1 over 6 as well, 1 over 6, 1 over 6, 1 over 6, and 1 over 6. And then to find the expected value, we are going to multiply the values that x can take, multiply by their corresponding probabilities. Okay, so basically to get the expected value here, we'll have 1 multiplied by 1 over 6 plus 2 multiplied by 1 over 6 plus 3 multiplied by 1 over 6 plus 4 multiplied by 1 over 6 plus 5 multiplied by 1 over 6 plus 6 multiplied by 1 over 6. And if you work that out, you'll end up with 3.5. So which means that if I roll a standard die several times, the average score that I expect to get is 3.5. Okay, so here is another example. A magazine store recorded the number of magazines purchased by its customers in 1 week. So 23% purchased 1 magazine, 38% purchased 2, 21% purchased 3, 13% purchased 4, and 5% purchased 5. So find the mean number of magazines purchased by its customers in a week. So first of all, we need to identify our random variable here. So we can say, let x be the number of magazines purchased by its customers in 1 week. So let x be the number of magazines purchased by its customers in 1 week. All right, so then we can just represent this in a table. So if we represent this in a table, so we shall have x and the corresponding probabilities. And the values that x can take here are, well, we are told it could be 1 magazine, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Then the corresponding probabilities are 0.23, 0.38, 0.21, 0.13, and 0.05. So the expected value here will be, or the mean will be 1 multiplied by 0.23 plus 2 multiplied by 0.38 plus 3 multiplied by 0.21 plus 4 multiplied by 0.13 plus 5 multiplied by 0.05. And if you plug this in your calculator, it should be equal to 2.39. So what does this mean? It means that the expected number of magazines bought by each customer in a week is 0.239. So this is the expected number of magazines bought by each customer in a week.